Ashley, and this is my YouTube channel. I don't know. I'm still getting used to how to do intros and stuff. I don't really know what to say. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Comment down below on the video, because today I am going to be showing you guys how I do my retwist. And just a little disclaimer, this is only probably the third time I did my retwist, and the first time was kind of just definitely like a trial period because I had no idea what I was doing. Second time I think it went pretty well. Now the third time I kind of know the tweaks and stuff that I want to make from doing it the last two times. So yeah, this is kind of, I guess, a trial, I guess you could say too, but I know it's gonna be better than my last two tries. So yeah, I'm gonna be washing my hair first. I just got back from the gym, and you can see it's kind of crazy in here because I am getting ready for a trip, and so that consists of cleaning, washing my clothes, and just having a whole bunch of stuff everywhere. If you travel, you know. So I'm about to take a shower, wash this hair, and show you guys what's next. Let's go. Okay, so before I get in the shower, I'm going to show you guys what products I'm going to be using. For my shampoo, I'm going to be using the Jamaican Mango and Lime shampoo. I honestly have not heard good things about this, but I already had this before I had my locks, and I kind of just want to get rid of it. So I'm just going to be using it until it's gone, and it's about right here right now. So once it's gone, then I'll get rid of it. But for my lock gel today, I have the Lock In. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm not sure, but this is the gel I'm going to be using. So yeah, let me go ahead and hop in the shower, and then I'll come back once my hair is wet. Okay, just got out the shower. My hair is a little bit dry because I've been moving around a little bit. I'm gonna actually go and set up in my room because I kind of want to watch TV while I'm doing this. I know it's gonna probably take me a little minute, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and move my equipment. Okay, y'all, moved to the floor of my room. So I do have a spray bottle. I'm going to be spraying this continuously as I do my hair because I need the pieces to be wet. And I also have some foam wrap. Not sure how I'm going to use this, but we're gonna see. So parting the back of my hair, I'm going to be attempting to use this mirror. I also have a mirror, like a full-length mirror behind the camera. You guys can't see it, but I'm gonna be trying. Yeah, that should work. I'm gonna be using this to kind of look at this mirror, but also looking at that mirror, if you get it. It's actually good. I can see it from my mirror as long as it stays like this. Hopefully it will. Okay, so I'm gonna take my little comb. I'm going to spray. I'll open it up. Also have my double prong clips. So that's probably a little bit too much, but I'm gonna take that much amount. I'm just gonna do like the locking with my fingers, so I'm just gonna go like this. Take my clip and secure it in place. So I can already tell this lock gel kind of feels extra secure. Like the other lock gels I've used didn't feel like this. So
what's prohibition? All you gotta know is 100 years ago, a bunch of thugs saved your life, man.
okay, so I got my first row done, and I'm gonna continue just to part it and continue locking all the way up into the top. Okay, so I'm getting up to the top, And I'm just gonna show you guys like a closer look. So I actually haven't been using the foam. I just been spraying it with water to get some more moisture back. But this is one of my locks. I'm gonna take about this much gel, put it on both sides, and just gonna be using my hands to palm roll it. And then secure it. So yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory once you get the hang of it. You just gotta keep practicing, and then it kind of just becomes natural. I know there's different methods that people use. It's just the method that I found that worked for me so far. Some people use a comb. Some people use, I guess, like a tool or something. I'm not sure, but this is the way I like it. This is the way that worked for me, so this is the way I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, finally, I am done. I still got my clips in. I decided to just go with a side part. I'm thinking about maybe doing a style later. Not sure yet, but we will see. So this is what it looks like with the clips. So I didn't really have a method when it came to clipping my hair. I kind of just put the clips wherever they fit. So if they look a little messy, then they look a little messy. Now I'm just gonna take my blow dryer and blow dry this out for like at least 15-20 minutes. Okay, the last step to make it extra secure, I then blow dried it. Now I'm going to add some styling strips. So I'm gonna take some more of that foam that I was using. And then I'm gonna take my styling strip. I'm gonna take two actually. Okay, now I'm just gonna use my blow dryer for a little bit longer until it's dry. Now for the moment of truth. Oh. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and start taking these clips out. Well, I am done. I think I really like the way this turned out. Like, I think this is probably one of my best retwists. And I think it's because of the gel that I use. Like, it's not as greasy as the last few ones that I did with my other gel. So this definitely took the cake. A black girl in her locks. A black girl in her locks. It's like, I'm loving my lock journey, y'all. Like, I'm just loving it. I'm really thinking that I want to do a style, but I'm going to wait to do that tomorrow because I have to go to work in the morning and I just don't feel like doing all that tonight. My lips was chapped. Styling my locks. So I wanted to try a style actually for the first time. So I did look up some styles on Pinterest and this is one I have in mind. This is the style I was gonna go with. Basically, it's like four, hold on, let me go back. This is a style I wanted to go for. Basically, it's like four barrel twists. I think that's what you call them. 4-barrel twists, 2 on this side, 2 right here, 2 right here, and they're all combined together into like ponytails. I'm hoping that it will look right because my hair is still kind of short when it comes to locks. Let's go ahead and do it. So I'm going to part my hair down the middle first. But before I do that, but I do want to remind you guys to go ahead and like and subscribe, comment your questions, concerns, whatever you want to say. I don't give a fuck. But yeah, I really do appreciate it though. But you know, you don't really got to if you don't want to. If you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. But hey, we're here. Anyways, back to the video. I'm going to section out these twists first. This is going to be, I think that's enough, yeah. This is going to be 1. This is going to be 1 right here. This is going to be the second one. Let me get, another thing I'm kind of worried about is I don't have any rubber bands. But I do have these elastics. So I know with the barbell twist, you're supposed to start with like 2 pieces that don't move and you're supposed to cross them. Maybe I should cross them on the other side. How would that look? Does it really make a difference? I guess not. Let me try, well, I don't know. I'm right-handed. Okay, so when it comes to like braiding and stuff, I don't know why, but I can't look in the mirror. Like I have to feel it. So if I feel like I'm doing it right, I think I'll be doing it right. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna actually see if I can do this before I even waste my time making this video. But I know I'm gonna be able to do it, so I'll just be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back after about like 5 tries. I think I'm finally getting somewhere. Okay, so basically you have 2 locks that are your like base locks, and they're usually the ones that's right in the front, so they're easy to find. And you're just gonna take both of them and twist them and lap one on the other one. So let me show you guys a better view. The first 2 in the front, your base locks, twist them and cross them over. Boom. Now you're holding 2 locks in the front. Next, you're gonna take the one on the side, which is gonna be this one for me. This one's a little short, so I'm not gonna try to pull on it too hard. But you're just gonna take it and you're gonna twist it and overlap it on top of your base locks. So now I'm holding 3 locks. If that makes sense. And I'm just gonna do the same on the other side. So I'm gonna take this one, twist it, bring it on top, and put it behind. So now I have 4 locks. I'm just gonna keep on going. Twist it, hold up. So again with that motion, taking the lock on the outside, twisting it, putting it in it. Okay, so I'm not gonna braid all the way down, or braid, whatever, twist all the way down. I'm about like right here, and I don't know. There's like, I don't know how I'm gonna get down there, but we're going to start doing this side because I'm gonna combine both of them to make one ponytail. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then kind of show you guys how I combine them. So I have my twist right here that I already did, and then I have the second one right here. I'm gonna take this clip out, grab the other one, make sure it's secure as possible, and I'm just gonna pretty much hold them together and then start doing the twisting thing with both of them in my hand. Okay, y'all, I'm finally done. I did take a little lock out because I wanted something like in my face. I'm thinking about maybe taking another one out on this side, but I don't know. But yeah, this is how it turned out. I think these are really cute. I might end up just like putting these as like little buns. I think it turned out good for my first time. Like, I'm really doing this shit. Why you ain't tell me I had something in my teeth? Anyways, so yeah, I'm done. So excited. I think it turned out really good. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Definitely gonna add me some little BDBs, some cute like little jewels or something, just to like give a little, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and support your girl's YouTube channel. Come on now. Okay. But yeah, that's it for today's video, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.